Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Kearny Bank account using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser first. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.kearnybank.com and search. After you reach to the home page of Kearny Bank, which looks like this, go to the login button in the upper right hand corner and tap it on. This will bring up an expanded menu. Go ahead and type in your username that is associated with your online banking account into the text box right where it says username. Now, after you're done with the username, type in your password in the next text box. Make sure to type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your password, you can simply tap on this forgot password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you're not enrolled into online banking yet, you can tap on Enroll Now link and follow the instructions. Finally, typing in your information, tap on the Submit button and you'll be logged into your online banking account for Kearny Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.